Good morning, Center County. I'm meteorologist Jacob Morse here with your Center County weather report for this Tuesday morning. Taking a live look over Beaver Stadium, overcast and gloomy skies to start your Tuesday. Still some rain falling in our area this morning, and that will continue throughout the rest of the morning hours and into the early afternoon. The good news is that the skies will begin to clear as we head into the later half of the afternoon today and into the days tomorrow and on Thursday, looking at some sunnier weather in our area. Current temperature right now in State College at around 52 degrees with a south-southwesterly wind coming in at around 6 miles an hour. If we take a look at the temperatures in the central portion of the state, current temperatures right around the lower 50s to start your Tuesday. 54 degrees in Selinsgrove, 52 degrees up in Williamsport, as well as over in Clearfield and down in Johnstown. We zoom out to the rest of the Commonwealth. That temperature trend continues. Most places starting their morning in the lower 50s, with the exception being Bradford at around 48 degrees. Your current radar and satellite across the Commonwealth showing those scattered showers moving across the state west to east. Some of these showers do produce some heavier rain at some points. You can see those yellows appearing on the map up by Bradford. That denotes those heavier rainfall amounts at the current hour right now. But if we look in our area, we can see some of the rain from this second wave moving into our area right now, and we can see this rain continue throughout the morning hours today and into the early afternoon. If we zoom out to the broader view of the country, we can see that this rain is associated with this center of low pressures, which is currently circulating around the Michigan area, and associated with that is this cold front that does extend all the way down to the Gulf Coast. This system as a whole will be moving off the coast over the day, throughout the day today. We'll be moving into an area of high pressure, which will keep our weather rather nice for the next couple of days. If we time out your futurecast hour by hour, you can see that rain still in our area by around 10 a.m. this morning. The majority of the heaviest of the rain will be in the eastern half of the state. However, if we move this forward in time, you can see some of those lingering showers still in our area by around lunchtime today, but then those showers move out of our area throughout the early afternoon hours today, and heading into the later afternoon by around 3:30, we can see some clearer skies in our area, possibly even some sunshine in the Center County area this afternoon. Then moving this forward in time as we go into the overnight hours tonight, those clear skies remain. And then that will be the trend as we head into the day on Wednesday. Wall-to-wall sunshine in your morning hours for the day on Wednesday. Then some higher clouds filter into our area for the afternoon hours on Wednesday. Those move out heading into the overnight hours on Thursday and into early on Thursday morning. Mostly clear skies in the Center County area, but up in the northwestern part of the state, they can start to see some of those lake effect snow showers ramp up with those winds out of the northwest. If we look a little bit further into the future, we can see those clear skies throughout the day on Thursday, but then heading into Friday, those clouds increase and another system moves up from the south for the day on Friday, providing us with periods of rain throughout the day on Friday. And then once that system moves off to the east, we'll have westerly and northwesterly winds bringing in some colder air, some of the coldest air that we've seen of the season as we head into the weekend. But that could also produce some snow showers in our area as we head into the early morning hours on Saturday. So that is something to look out for as we get a little bit closer to that day. And looking at your forecast for the day today, in State College will reach a high of 63 degrees, which is rather mild for this time of year. We'll be having that rain before the 2 o'clock hour, so mostly falling in the throughout the rest of this morning and into the early afternoon. And then we'll be having those clearing skies as we head into the rest of the afternoon today. Tonight we'll be dropping down to a low of around 42 degrees with mostly clear skies. And then tomorrow reaching a high temperature right around 54 degrees, which is rather seasonable for this time of year, right around our average high temperature with mostly sunny skies and a brisk wind out of the west at around 10 to 15 miles an hour. Now, it is a game day weekend this weekend here in Happy Valley, so the game on Saturday will be kicking off at 12 o'clock. We'll be playing Wisconsin. Temperature will be rather chilly for the game on Saturday. However, only a temperature of around 38 degrees for kickoff with mostly sunny skies, and it will be rather windy as well, so it will be definitely a good idea to bundle up for the game with winds out of the west at around 15 to 20 miles an hour. Your Center County Report 7-day forecast shows those mostly sunny skies for Wednesday and Thursday, with those temperatures falling off to the mid-40s for a high temperature for the day on Thursday. Friday, we can see that rain return to our area associated with that system that I mentioned earlier. Periods of rain throughout the day on Friday with a temperature only around 43 degrees for your high. Saturday, only reaching a high temperature in the upper 30s for game day. And then Sunday and Monday will remain dry in our area, but temperatures will still be, only in the lower 40s. For the Center County Report, I'm meteorologist Jacob Morris. Have yourselves a great Tuesday.